So I told you guys while we were in Michigan, a level 3 snowstorm hit. Well, I was in no way impressed with life at that moment, because I knew the terrible fact that once I go outside to look at my studio that I built, I'm so excited and proud of this. That's why everything around me is kind of destroyed. I'm still recovering from all the damage. But I decided to take the car out for a drive. I drove through 3 feet of water in the Ohio River. It survived hitting deer. I've traveled multiple places along this country. So let's go see how our Valkyrie, our 2019 Nissan Sentra, does in a level 3 snowstorm. Doing this. Main highway through the thing. Holy crap. It's a red wiper blade. Nice too. The one Virginia. She has driven through a river. Watching me go through the snow is fun and all, but yo, I gotta make this video a little more interesting, so we're gonna break reality. Let's see how fast I can go. That was fun. That was fun. That was neat. That's whatever. I went through the snow after going through a river, after going through so much. I just want to show you the daylight. So here's a little video of the town during the day after a storm.
I'm gonna sit on it, Mom.
No, you're not.
Why?
Bobby,
Your butt will get wet.
are you ready to go in?